Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.